So recently I stumbled on this website, and I love the feature, and I love the feature of this website. It's a cryptocurrency website. You can see for foreign exchange, the complex world of forex just got a lot easier. And more about the website, the overview, the how. You can see it's like a one-page website, the plans, the terms, and the frequently asked questions. You can see it now. So I love the website, the way it was built. And guess what? I would love to clone this website. First and foremost, my name is Adeola Deyus. I'm a website designer, a digital marketer, and a coach. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clone a website just like this. Alright, easy steps to how you can clone this kind of website, and then you can upload it in your Visual Studio Code, or you upload it on a website. Alright, now if you are just joining me for the very first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and drop a comment and follow my page for more updates on whatever I drop on my page. Now take note of one thing. In this tutorial is actually for educational purpose, so it's not as if I'm encouraging you to do it for any bad stuff. Alright, so I'm just teaching you this for you to learn, just for information purpose and for educational purpose. So let's get started right now. And so I'll go to this save all resources Chrome extension. Save all resources Chrome extension is what I'm going to search for. I'll download it, and so I'll click on it. And then I'll click on add to Chrome, add extension. Alright, as you can see, it's downloading right now. So as soon as the Chrome extension downloaded successfully, all I have to do is very simple. Alright, so you can see that this Chrome extension has just been added to our Chrome. So all I have to do now is to go back to the website, and I'll right click on this site, and then I'll click on inspect. I'll click on inspect, and then I'll go to the part where we have our resource saver. So I'll click on it. Alright, so you can see this now. Resource saver is showing you all the resources on this particular website. Can you see that now? So all I have to do now is to click on, I'll click on save all resources. Now you can see it's downloading the resources on the website. You can see it now. This is the website here. It has downloaded it. So I'll go to my folder, I'll go to my downloads, and then I'll extract this file. I'll extract it. Awesome. So you can see the website here. This is the website folder here. So I'll click on it, and then you can see it here. So I'll just click on this index here. This is where the website itself. Alright, so you can see the website here. This is the website I just cloned. You can see it. This is the website I just cloned here. I just cloned this website. You can see if I go to my about section, the overview section, the how, the plans, the terms, the FAQs, the frequently asked questions. Now the question is that how then do we now upload this website like to go live? I hope you're getting it now. So all this folder here, I'll have to take it to my control panel. All I have to do right now is just to watch, to buy my domain name and hosting and upload this every file here on the website and create a database for this. So if you want to learn how to create something like this for yourself, you can give this a try and send me a message on WhatsApp so that you can also learn how to create a database to activate this website fully. My name remains Adeola Deyus, and do not forget, this training is just for educational purpose and not to be used otherwise. Thank you, and I will see you in my next tutorials.